Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Salam jumpa. Saya Muhammad Lutfi dari Universitas PGRI Ronggolawe Tuban akan mempresentasikan artikel yang sudah kami laksanakan dengan judul Analysis of Various Stems of Wheeling Beef Using Papaya Leaf, Kakarika Papaya L, and Jaranan Leaf, and then Coromandelaceae. Okay, step 1, preliminary. Number 1, beef is one of the animal food ingredient with a high quality of protein. Second, however, beef processing generally take a relative long time to improve the taste and tenderness. Third, as we already know, in general, in the process of wheeling beef, which is usually done by most people, it is only just doing the wheeling process regardless of the time specific and the addition of ingredient to change the texture of the beef so the meat still feel and when it's finished the wheeling process. By adding papaya leaf and jarana leaf, which have the ability to bind the bitter taste of papaya leaf and papain enzyme in papaya leaf, function to break down protein and soften the meat fiber. Jadi pendahuluan yang saya ambil mengenai dari kebiasaan pada yang dilakukan oleh masyarakat dengan melakukan perebusan daging tanpa melihat waktu dan kemudian tanpa ada penambahan dengan proses untuk pelunakan daging. Di sini ada penambahannya daun jaranan dan daun pepaya. Papaya leaf and jaranan leaf, mengenai dari pengertian pada fungsi atau manfaat atau kandungan pada daun jaranan dan daun papaya. 1. Papaya leaf contain the enzyme papain and cymopapain, which can break down hard protein chains such as red. 2. Papaya leaf also contain alkaloid compound that can work against dandruff and baldness, are also rich in vitamin A, C, A, K, and B, as well as a number of minerals such as calcium, magnesium, and iron. Jaranan leaf can be used as an antidote for poisonous animals such as snake, and also its ability to bind the bitter taste of papaya leaf. Formulation of the problem. How about the process of wheeling beef with time treatment? 2. How is the difference in the physical properties of beef given papaya leaf and jaranan leaf? Objective and method. Destination. It is known that the treatment of wheeling beef with papaya leaf and jarana leaf is known. 2. It is known that the physical properties of beef with papaya leaf and jarana leaf are known. Method. The research method used is an experimental method with qualitative descriptive analysis. This research will observe the boiling time treatment. Material and tool, bahan yang akan kami gunakan untuk proses perebusan daging sapi. 1000. Yang pertama ada 172 gram beef, papaya leaf, jaranan leaf, butter, LPG, balance stove, pan, knife, tray. Research and discussion. Jadi hasil yang sudah kami dapatkan dalam penelitian pada perebusan daging sapi menggunakan daun papaya dan daun jaranan mengenai perlakuan waktu yang akan kami tonjolkan pada penelitian ini. Dengan hasil in this study we was using one papaya leaf with the editing of 20 jaranan leaf with a combination of boiling time 40 trial for 10, 15 and 20 minutes. The result of the boiling were identical physical, taste and texture. With result 1, within 10 minutes of boiling indicate that the taste of the meat is slightly bitter and the meat is still hot. 2. When 15 minutes of boiling, the bitter taste is reduced. 3. At 20 minutes of boiling, it shows that the meat is tender and the bitter taste caused by papaya leaf is gone. Jadi untuk pada gambar di sini mengenai dari tahapan yang dilakukan saat proses perebusan daging sapi dan menunjukkan dan hasilnya juga. Yang pertama pada gambar pembungkusan daging, sebelumnya daun pepaya ditumbuk-tumbuk sehingga untuk mengeluarkan getah papainya. Kemudian daging setelah dibungkus direbus dengan air dengan penambahan daun jaranan. Dan gambar yang ketiga ini menunjukkan hasil atau setelah perebusan dengan penambahan daun pepaya dan daging sapi dibungkus dengan daun pepaya dan daun jaranan untuk penambahannya untuk menghilangkan rasa pahit dan untuk pelunakan daging sapi. Conclusion. So the conclusion is that the result of boiling beef with a boiling process of 20 minutes show the best result with the condition of the beef being soft and not bitter taste caused by papaya leaf. Thank you for watching my video tentang pelunakan daging sapi dengan penambahan daun pepaya dan daun jaranan. Terima kasih, sekian. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.